Today I'm going to teach you why motherboards have these tiny holes. We called it vias. I'm going to show you exactly what they are, and once you know, you will never look at PCB the same way again. So let's jump straight into it. A lot of beginners think these holes here are damage, burn marks, manufacturing mistakes, or useless leftover drilling. But actually, they are one of the most important parts of the board. We called it vias. And trust me, without them, the motherboard wouldn't work at all. A via is basically a tiny metal tube that connects one copper layer of the PCB to another. I have a question. Why motherboards need vias? Here is the thing. Modern PCBs aren't just one layer. They are multi-layer. 4 layers, 6 layers, 8, 10, even 12 layers. We only see the top and the bottom. But inside the board, there are hidden copper layers carrying signals, power, grounding, data lines, all stacked like a sandwich. And vias are the elevators inside this building. They let electrical signals jump between floors. Let's answer another important question. What vias actually do? Please, before diving into the course, we'd like to give a huge thank you to the sponsor for this video, PCBWay. PCBWay offers many services ranging from PCB production and assembly to 3D printing and a variety of materials, CNC machining, sheet metals fabrication, injection molding, and more. PCBWay makes it easy to get custom parts for your project, and if you don't like to work a lot with a soldering iron, they can even assemble your PCBs for you. That's the PCB way. Now back to the video. So what do these tiny holes do? Check this out. First, carry signals between layers. When a trace can't go straight, it dives into the boards using a via. Second, reduce congestion, like traffic. If the top is crowded, the signal goes underground. Third, provide grounding. Ground layers are often hidden inside the PCB and vias connect to them. Finally, help distribute power. Power planes inside the board need vias to reach components. So without vias, your motherboard would be a mess of wires. With vias, everything stays clean, compact, and fast. And here's the thing. Not all vias are the same. Check these 3 types. True hole via goes all the way from the top layer to the bottom, as you can see. Blind via, like this one. It connects the top layer to the only one inner layer. If we go to the back of the board, nothing here. So it connects just the top layer to only one inner layer. The third type is buried via, hidden completely between the inner layers. You will never see it on the surface. And the more advanced the board, the more advanced the vias. Think of the motherboard like a city. Traces are roads, and vias are underground tunnels. They let you reach places that normal roads can't reach. So please remember, those are traces. Here we have vias, and the main purpose of these vias is to help the signal reach other components easily. If you found this explanation useful, smash that like button so more people can learn electronics the easy way. And if you have any questions about motherboards or components, drop them in the comments. Maybe your question will be the next video. And please don't forget to subscribe, like, and for anyone who wants to accelerate learning, you can join my Patreon page. All links in the description. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next repair.